Hi, welcome to 5 Squared Support. I'm just going to show you real quick one of my favorite free programs of all time. It's video editing. It's called paint.net. You can just go to getpaint.net or you can type in, if you search for it, paint.net. Go ahead and click on the URL and then go to the download. And then scroll down. And I think you just want to click this image. And there's going to be another click right here. Too many clicks if you ask me. You can click it here or you can just show downloads. And I'm going to go ahead and show it in folder. I like working out of folders. I'm going to extract it all. This is not meant to be a tutorial on how to do all this. I'm just going to show you one of the programs I really like and maybe a feature or two of it. I think this program's been around, I think, almost 20 years. Although I have to say, I feel like I've been using it for longer than that. Okay, that'll take a little bit of time to install. Then just go ahead and finish it and open it up. I'll just show you one of the quick little things you can do here. This is not meant for a tutorial, like I said. But if you need help with anything tech-wise, give us a call, 5 Squared Support. For only $25, you can get some support. What you need is what we do. We're here to make your tech lives easier. There's a setting here I like to change, up to you whether you want to do it or not. Go on updates, and I do not like automatic updates, so I always uncheck that with all the programs that I use. Let's just open, what do we have? Got a couple photos here for examples. Oh, look at that pup. We'll open up this mountainside. Let's make it a little bigger to view. It's a pretty small image, 360 by 240, but what I want to do is get rid of this white background. So what I'm going to do is take this tool here, the magic wand. I'm just going to click on this area. I'm going to highlight it and delete it. Okay, now I want to open up one other image. Which should we do? Let's do a sunset. Let's make it much smaller. You see this is 360 by 240, so let's change the size of this. Image resize, we'll just say 444. How about that? And now when I'm going to take this image, I'm going to hit Ctrl+A, which copies the entire image, and I'm going to do Ctrl+C for copy. I'm going to go to our other image that we're already working on. I'm going to do paste into new layer. In this case, we're just going to keep the canvas size. And that's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to hit Ctrl+D so none of this stuff's highlighted. And if you look here, we have two layers. The background and layer 2, which is the sunset. But what I'm going to do is move the order of this. And not only that, I can actually move this wherever I want. I can't move it too. I can really only move it up and down. And now we just created a new image. This is just one of many things that I really like about this free program. There's other free programs. This is my favorite, and I really can't stand Photoshop. I can't stand that because that company charges way too much for everything they do. But for messing around, this is great. It has layering. It has effects. Let's show one effect: an oil painting. Look at that. Now you got a nice little oil painting. Anyhow, like I said, this wasn't supposed to be a exact tutorial. Just wanted to show you one of the free apps available from paint.net at getpaint.net. Goodbye for now.